How to fix limit chat in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let us get started. For that, you have to open your Facebook application. Get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Then tap on three bar icon on your right hand side. If you are facing Messenger limit, then you have to tap on Help and Support, then tap on Report a Problem. Untoggle the box that says Shake phone to report a problem, then tap on Report Problem. Then tap on Include. And from these various options, you have to tap on Messages. Now simply type in that you would like to fix your Messenger limit problem as soon as possible. And you can also include any type of screenshot that you have. To do that, tap on Upload from Phone, and you can easily attach the screenshot. Once you do so, tap on the send icon. Facebook will contact you back within a couple business days. To also be noted that this was a Messenger bug that you reported. You shall be notified soon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.